Hey guys, Ross Cerroti here, Recall Technologies. I wanted to talk to you quick about a method that we do to secure our law firms against out-of-date operating systems by patching all the operating systems. So I'm sure you've heard of Windows updates and security patches and vulnerabilities, all that stuff. What does that mean? So in a nutshell, what that means is it's important to stay up to date on the new security patches that Microsoft provides or other providers provide because old systems, people find vulnerabilities with them. And through those vulnerabilities, they exploit. They're able to get in. They're able to grab a password, grab keystrokes. That's a big deal. Grab credit card information, things like that. That's why there's constant updates through Microsoft and other vendors. Your IT company should be patching all of your systems on a regular basis. This has got to be part of the deal. It's got to be part of your monthly or part of your retainer or whatever it is. They have to have a system where an agent goes on every device, your servers, your workstations, and everything must be patched on a regular basis. Not only your operating systems, but your applications, Microsoft Office, Adobe Acrobat, Java, things like that. There's vulnerabilities in everything for old versions. It's a big deal. It's got to be part of your IT package, so to speak. And it's normal for, professional IT companies to offer some sort of monitoring, some sort of patch management on a regular basis. It's normal to have these agents that deploy, that do this and do a bunch of other things. We have it for all of our law firms, and hopefully your IT company has it too. It's standard, it's not special. We're not reinventing the wheel. Recall did not invent this. Agents that do this. It's a very standard thing. So something to think about, something to talk to your IT company. Ask if they are regularly patching your systems, because it's a big deal, and you don't want someone to log your keystrokes. That's a bad thing. If you have any questions about this or anything else legal tech related, you know where to find me, Ross at Recall Technologies. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.